there you are. All up in my mouth. Disco ball. This is scary. I'm eating barbecue tonight. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. So, if I look a little mannequin-like and stiff, it's because I woke up with a crick in my neck, and y'all, I cannot move. So, don't judge the makeup today because I can't move my head hardly, and my hair too. So, like, you don't realize how much you move your neck or your head until you can't, and then it's like everything you try to do is like So anyways, okay, so today I just got a little goodie in the mail and I want to try it out. I figured I'd pop on here and we'd try it out together. This is okay, now I gotta try to bend over with my neck. This is what we got today. I have never heard of this company. I had an ad pop up on either Facebook or Instagram, one of those, for this stuff, and I was like, what? So I clicked on it, obviously, and y'all, this stuff looks crazy. So basically what it is it's this glitter lip stuff for your lips, okay? It's like a crazy glitter disco ball for your lips. The girls' lips were like literally like disco balls. Like, it was just like. So, of course, y'all know I'm a sucker for sparkles and glitter. So, when I saw this, I was like, I have got to try this out because this is insane looking. So, here we are. 4 lip kits later. Y'all, I couldn't decide, obviously. So, I just got like 4 different ones. I got the colors So Fairy. Then I got this one called Honey. Then I got this one called Baby. And this one is called Glitz. So, this first one called So Fairy. Y'all can see like the color right here. Like, on the box it looks red, but in the pictures it looked just like a really pretty iridescent color. So, try to get this thing open. Okay, so in each little kit, it looks like you get glitter, like a little pot of glitter, actual glitter. I guess I thought it was like just a lipstick or a lip gloss that looked like super glitter, but okay. And then you get Gloss Bond. So we're gonna glue glitter to our lips. Then you get a lip liner, okay. And then it comes with this little brush. It's got like a spongy applicator on one end and then like a little brush on the other end. So that all comes in your little kit. It also comes with a little card that tells you how to apply it. So we're gonna have to follow these directions and see. But it claims to be kiss proof, swim proof, turn up proof, and cruelty free. So how do we do this? Start out with dry lips, line your lips, apply the Gloss Bond. When the Gloss Bond is clear, apply the Cosmo Glitter. By dampening the sponge, pat in, completely covering your lips. Use precision tip of applicator to clean up if needed. Go have fun, cause you're ready to turn heads. So, which color do we want to try first? I cannot get these things open, y'all. Oh my gosh, you're gonna break my fingernails. I can't stand boxes that are this hard to open. That would just rip the things. So, I'm just going to look at the glitter colors and see which one we want to try out. Okay, so this one is called So Fairy. Ooh. This one's called Honey, Baby, and Glitz. I think I want to try So Fairy. So, here we go, y'all. Line the lips. Okay, the liner works pretty good, but it smells like crayons or something. Yeah, it smells like wax or like crayons. Lips are lined. Next, we apply the Gloss Bond. This scares me. Am I gonna be able to get this off of my lips? I'm eating barbecue tonight. Keep me having glitter on my lips. Okay. Glue on my lips. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. I feel like if I put my lips together, they're gonna get glued together. So, I'm kinda scared. This stuff smells like toxic chemicals. Okay. When it turns clear, we put this on. This is scary. Looks fairly clear. So we wet this. Okay, so I just ran this under some water and kind of squished it a little bit. So, y'all, I'm nervous. Oh, my lips almost stuck together. That was scary. Oh my gosh, y'all. What? Ah, it's still sticky. I'll be eating glitter. I got glitter in my mouth. Literally glitter on my teeth. Look at my tongue. There's glitter, like, all in my mouth. Clean up the edges. What in the world, y'all? Are y'all seeing this right now? Disco ball. What in the world? Oh my gosh. Y'all don't know how happy this makes me. Like, what in the world? Look at this. Look at my lips. Ow. My neck. I've never in my life seen lips look like this before. This is insane. This is so fun. Like, I'm just thinking about Halloween, like how fun this would be. This is definitely not something I would wear every day, but y'all, hello. I'm shocked. Disco ball lips. I was scared at first, but I'm like blown away now. It definitely looks just like it did in the advertisement. I am shocked. I will say putting this glue stuff on your lips was like terrifying to me. It smelled toxic. I was scared my lips were going to get glued together. And then also this glitter like got all up in my mouth. But now it seems fine. I guess once the glue dries, the scary part is over. Y'all, I am so shocked. Like, look, when I'm talking, it's like, shh. It does not take much for me. Like, it does not take much. This is so fun. So, do we like this? Yes. I know it was scary. The glue was scary. It had a bad smell. The glitter got in my mouth. But once all that is over with and you're just left with this, it's like so worth it. You're like, oh yeah. My daughter is gonna flip out when she sees. She's gonna want it on her lips too. And I'm not putting that on her lips because it's scary. And we've yet to see how we take this off. I might be having some glitter lips for like a week. And we're eating barbecue tonight. So yeah, there might be some glitter in my barbecue. Let's swatch the other colors just to kind of see what they would look like on the lips. This is So Fairy, okay, which is the one I have on right now. And there's the liner and the glitter. The next one is called Honey. Ooh, okay. The liner for Honey is like hot pink. Like, this is gonna look like a Barbie. So this is Honey. So you can see the liner is hot pink and then the lip is like, in the container it looks more red, but once you put it on next to the lip liner, it does look pink, like a bright pink. This one's called Baby. Ooh, the liner is a pretty color on that one. This is Baby right here, the liner, and then it's just like a pretty shimmery light pink, almost like a baby pink. Some of my darker pink glitter got over here into this one, but you can still kind of see what it would look like. That one is really pretty. I bet it would be really pretty on the lips. I just can't get over the way this looks when I'm talking, y'all. It's like shh. And then our last one is called Glitz. Ooh, that's a pretty color liner too. Ooh, this one is pretty too. Okay, so that one is called Glitz, and there's the liner and then the glitter. Y'all, this stuff is insane. I know this isn't something you would wear every day, but if you're wanting that, like, to the max blinged out glitter lip, then it ain't gonna get much better than this. Like I said, it says it's kiss proof. Nothing. I don't know how we're gonna get this off, but y'all, this is so fun. Like, all I can think about is Halloween, or, you know, times where you just want to, like, I don't know, have like a costume type makeup. This is so fun. Like, this is crazy. I am blown away. And I don't think I ever even said the name, but the name of this stuff is called, well, the company's called Stay Golden Cosmetics. You can see it up there at the top. But then these are just called Glitter Lip Kit. This is one of those very few times where the advertisement on, like, Instagram, where the advertisement on social media is actually legit. And, like, the stuff really does come in and really does work just like it looked on the models. Like, I am so shocked. Well, y'all, you heard it from me. If you're looking for this kind of lip and this kind of glitter payoff, there you are. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.